Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating a pattern and loading sound so you can hear results fast. First, open FL Studio Mobile and set the tempo. 90-110 BPM is a good range. Add a sampler or drum track channel and label it log drum so you stay organized. Then import a short low-pitch sample or select a low tom/sign synth preset. You want a short decay source that responds to pitch and envelopes. Once in place, you're ready to shape the tone and play notes. Now you shape the log drum so it sounds wooden and percussive. First, tune the sample to a clear musical note using coarse and fine pitch controls. This gives the instrument melodic purpose. Next, set a short decay and low sustain in the amp envelope to keep hits tight, and add a brief pitch envelope, a quick downward slide, so each strike has that thumpy click then settles. Finally, layer a low subsine or softened kick underneath at around -6 to -12 dB. Finish by fitting the log drum into your mix so it sits clear and musical. Use EQ to emphasize the click around 1.53 kHz and reduce muddiness in 200-400 Hz, while gently boosting low frequencies near 60-120 Hz for weight. Apply light compression and a short dry reverb to glue hits. Transient shaping helps tighten attack. If you encounter problems, shorten the sample decay or dial back reverb to stop ringing. Conversely, add a sublayer or boost low mids if it sounds too thin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.